when I have that same proportion that we've had the last few problems, I want to look at this as when I set this up, and when we're going to see an example problem here in a minute, what happens is if I were to set this up incorrectly, say I were to do, and this happens when we're trying to match the corresponding sides and corresponding parts as we had it. If I were to accidentally say 5 over x, say I'm accidentally flipping one and not the other, when I'm off by just a little bit, what difference is it going to make if I just mix up one of the fractions and just have it upside down, right? That can't change much. But watch what happens when I cross multiply this. I end up with 5 times 100 equals 20 times x. I end up with 20x equals 500, which means now x equals 25. If I were to solve this, instead of where x had to equal 1, I'm getting x equals 25. When I'm off by just a tiny bit of flipping this upside down, it's going to get exaggerated much worse. When I'm off by just a little bit, and you're going to see the example we look at with what is the height of the Statue of Liberty. You're going to say something like, well, the Statue of Liberty is 5 inches tall, or the Statue of Liberty is 30 miles tall. And it's going to be like, whoa, that's not off by a little bit. Clearly, both of those are wrong. If I set up one of these proportions incorrectly, making one mistake means my answer is going to be catastrophically, incoherently wrong. And that's what's going to be your indicator of, oh, well, let me go back and see, did I flip one of those upside down? It's an easy fix. But once again, you're going to be noticing it by, whoa, my answer is really far off from what I would expect it to be.